Today I am telling about you the attributes of TR, TD and TH tags. Students, so attributes of these three tags are common: border color, PG color, align, row span versus call span. All these attributes can work with TR, TD and TH tags. Okay, so border color, to set the border color of the specific row, data and heading. Okay, so BG color, it is used to set the background color. If we apply the BG color attribute with TR tag, then it will change the background color of the specific row. And if we will apply the BG color attribute with TD tag, then it will change the background color of any specific cell by which TD we are using the BG color attribute. In the same manner, if we will use a PG color with TH tag, then it will set the background color of a specific cell. Okay. Now align. If you want to change the alignment of the text of the table cells, then align attribute we can use. If you want to set the alignment of the whole row, then we can use the align attribute with TR tag. And if you want to set the alignment of the specific cell data, then we can use align attribute with TD tag. And row span and call span, this is the most important attribute of TR, TD and TH tag. Row span is used to span or merge more than two or more than two rows in a table. In the same manner, call span is used to span or merge two or more columns in a table. Okay, so now I am showing the practical for all these attributes. So for that, what we have to do, students, I am using the BG color attribute of the with TR tag. So here I am setting the pink color of the second row. Okay, so you can check, and I am also using the align attribute. Okay, so I want to set the alignment of the first row of table is right. Okay, right. Okay, so you can now check. I'm refreshing the result, so you can check that the row background color is changed and the data alignment is set centralized. Okay, by default it is left side. Okay, and if we use a TH tag for the first header row of the table, then it is a centralized alignment and with bold effect. Okay, but by default the alignment will be the left. If you want to set the right or center, then you can use a align attribute. Okay, and suppose I want to change the color of this specific cell. Okay, so what I have to do, we have to move to the notepad, and notepad I want to set this. Okay, so I have used BG color attribute here with this specific TD. Okay, and I want to set here BG color green. Okay, I'm setting here green. Okay, now Control S, and you can check, and I want to set the align attribute also. Okay, so align I want to set here center. Okay, center. By default it was left, so you can check the effect of these attributes. Okay, now you can check the specific cell color has changed because I have used the BG color attribute with TD tag, and I have set the align centralized by using the align attribute. I have used the align and BG color both with the TD tag, and TD tag will show the effect on the specific cell. TR tag will show the effect on the specific row, and if we will use the BG color with table tag, then it will show the background color of the whole table. Okay, now in this manner you can use the align or BG color attribute with the TH, TD. Okay, so now I want to show the use of row span and call span. Okay, so I am creating a new program for that. So after table tag, I want to start the TR tag. Okay, now in TR first row, I want to merge the four cells. Okay, so here TD, I want to set the column. Okay, so call span equals to 4 4 column I want to merge here. Okay, then I want to give the data. That's a printer. I want to give the printer. Okay, then after that yes, then I want to give the data printer. Then after that I want to close the TD. Okay, so in one row I want to give this only. So now I have to close the TR. Then after that I want to start the new TR, then TD, and in TD now I want to merge two columns. Okay, call span 2, and I want to give the data here impact, and then TD close, then again TD call span equals to 2, then non impact. Okay, now I want to close TD here. Okay, now I want to close the second row here. Okay, now I want to save it and I want to show that effect. Okay, so here you can check. Okay, here two columns are merged. Okay, now I want to extend the coding. Okay, now after that I want to start the new TR. Okay, in new TR I want to give the 4 TD because I have merged the 4 column in the first row and 2 in the second row. Okay, so now here I want to give the types of the impact printer. Okay, so this is the daisy wheel. Okay, and now close TD first data, then TD, then dot matrix. Okay, then TD close, then again TD, then daisy wheel dot matrix and inject, then TD close, then TD laser, then TD. Okay, then TR, and table and body HTML is already closed. Control S, then we have to run the file, so refresh the file. Okay, so in this manner you can set that my table has 4 columns. Okay, but I want to merge these 4 columns in the first row. Okay, because students, here is a description of the printer. Then printer is the main topic. Printer is of 2 types, impact and non-impact printer. Impact printers 2 types are here and non-impact printer types here. Okay, so to display such type of table, the main category is printer, then the type of the printer, 2 types of printer, then after that the two types of each category of printer is showing here. So showing such type of table or categorization, we have to use the call span or row span. Here the basic column of the table is the 4 column, but in first row I want to merge the 4 columns. So here I have used the TR first, TD call span equals to 4. So call span equals to 4 means I want to merge here 4 columns here. Okay, so in first row of the table I want to merge the 4 columns. Okay, so I want to make the one single column by merging 4 columns. Okay, and after that in the next row I want to span or merge the two columns. Okay, so I have given here TD call span equals to 2, TD call span equals to 2. Okay, now it has merged two columns. Okay, now after that I want to give the single data in each and every cell of the column. So here I have used the TD 4 times. Is it clear to all of you students? This is the use of the call span, and in the same manner if you want to merge 2 rows, then we can use the row span attribute for that. Okay, so here we have finished the row span, call span. Hello students, today we will learn how to insert images in web pages. Okay, all of you know that images are used to beautify our document, and images are used to express the concept very easily and fastly. And how we can insert images in HTML document? So by using the img tag, we can insert images in HTML document. And img tag supports only the .jpg, .bmp and .gif extensions files. Today I will show you the implementation of the .emp images insertion in HTML document. Okay, now we will discuss about the attributes of the img tag. So the very first tag is src, that stands for the source. The full form of the src is source. It is a mandatory attribute of the img tag. Without using this attribute, we can't insert images. And in this attribute, we have to mention the image file name or the path of the image. Okay, wherever this image is saved. Okay, so width attribute is used to set the width of the image. Height attribute is used to set the height of the image. Align, it is used to set the alignment of the image wherever you want to display your image, in center, in left or right alignment. Border, it is used to add border around an image. Okay, if you want to set the border around your image, then you can set the border attribute. Okay, by using the border attribute, you can set the width of the border around your image. Okay, now alt is the most important attribute, and the full form of the alt is alternate text. Okay, so students, if due to any technical problem image insertion is not possible, so in place of image some alternative text can be displayed. So it can be displayed by using the alt attribute of img tag. Okay, so now I am showing the practical for that to you. So I have opened the HTML, and the very first tag is HTML, then head tag, and I want to make the heading centralized, so I have start the center tag before the head tag, and I have closed the center tag after the head tag closing. Now body PG color blue, text red I have set. Okay, now I want to set the image, so img tag I have to use. Okay, very most important points that you have to keep in your mind while you are using the img tag. So student, first of all you have to uh, create an BMP file in MS Paint. Okay, so by using the Paint software you have to create a file. Okay, that is a .bmp extensions file. Okay, now the second point that you have to keep in your mind, that you have to create a new folder. You have to create a new folder, and in that new folder you have to keep your image file. You have to save your image file that you have created in Paint. And now after that you have to save your this HTML document in which you want to insert the image. Okay, that HTML file you have to store in that same folder. Okay, because if our image file in HTML document will store in the same location, then there is no need to give the full path of the image. Okay, so by using img tag I am using the src attribute. This is the compulsory attribute of img tag, and here I am giving the image file name. So I have set the image file name rows.bmp. rows.bmp I have set the image file name. Okay, now I want to set the height of the image. So height equals to, I am setting here 40%. Okay, 40%. Now I want to set the width of the image. So width I want to set the 30%. Okay, so here I have written align. I want to set the alignment of the image center. Okay, so here I am setting the align. Okay, now after that what are the other attributes of the img tag that we have learned? That height, width, align, border. If you want to set the border, Okay, so you can use the border attribute. Border equals to, here you can give the width of the border. Okay, now Control S, and now I have to run the file. Okay, so here this is my new folder in which I have saved my image file name and the Chinar 11 file on which I have written the code to insert the image. Okay, so now I'm running the file here, and you can check that image insertion is my heading, so it is showing as a heading, and I have centralized that heading, so it is showing in center, and this image I have displayed here. Okay, so now by using the img tag, I have set the rows.bmp image, okay, on the screen. Height, width I have set here 40%, 30%. Border I have set here, and align I have set here center. So here I am setting the right, RIGST right. Control S, then refresh the file. Okay, so now it is showing in the center of is showing in the right of the web browser. Okay, so I have aligned the image also. So in this manner, student, we can insert the images in the HTML document. Okay.